Hey guys, so I watched a video called Cats and Bell from Cat Navidesk, and it was so adorable that it made me want to try with my cats. Here's how it went. Hey. I taught them to give paw a few years ago, so I started with that.
Oh, that's cheating. That's cheating.
I don't think you need to teach them a paw trick first, but if you're interested, I have a video about that too. I'll put the link in the description. The first step was to get them to touch the bell.
Good boy. Can you give me a paw without me giving you a paw? And then press it here. No. This one. Maggie, give me a paw. Then. Thank you. High five. Good boy. No.
I can hear his purring from here.
It was here. Okay. Give up. Give up. This one. Yeah. You just give it some.
Maggie was definitely the quickest learner.
Okay. Boogie. Set. Yeah, that's my finger. No. Okay. No. Okay. Set. Give up. No. Give up. No. Yes. Ow. Give up. Set. Okay, you see? No, not my finger. This. Put it. Okay, you touch it. You see the bell? You see the bell?
He just wants to lick you.
I started trying to teach them with a normal bell, but it was difficult for them to ring, so I switched to a bell that's specifically for pets.
Give up. So close. So close. You see the bell? Hey, give up. Hey, give up.
The second step was to only reward them if they made the bell ring.
Give up. Good boy. Okay. Come here. Give up. Yeah. And then you press it. Like that. Okay? Then you get the food. Okay. Alright, buddy. Boogie. Boogie set. Set. Boogie. Okay. There you go. Boogie, you're so smart. I'm gonna put this on the floor. Right? You see the bell? Give me bell.
Step 3 was putting the bell on the floor, but they would ignore the bell and reach for my hand, so I kept holding the bell even though it was on the floor.
So quick learning. Okay, you got it. Oh, you understand too? Good job. You're really so smart. Okay. Okay. Set. Eba. Eba. One time. Eba. Okay, up. Woo! Maybe, high five. Yes. Wait, one time. Yes. Good boy.
Step 4 was getting them to ring the bell on their own without me touching it.
Okay. Remember the bell? Ah. You're so close. Okay. Remember the bell? Yes. Good boy. There you go. Alright. Remember how this works? Good boy. Are you full? Alright, Pokey, come here. Don't be shy. Don't be shy. I'm sorry. There you go, sir. Pokey, remember? Go. Look how good. Look how he gets the food. Pokey, you're so close. Pokey. Huh? There you go. Good job. Good boy. Pokey, done? No? Are you done? Are you full? Alright. Good job. Okay. Good job. I'm good boy. Good job. Good job, Pokey. There you go. You want more too, buddy? You guys so hungry.
For step 5, I decided to test them to see if they would still ring the bell, even if I wasn't paying attention.
Okay. Right. Okay. There you go. There you go. There you go. Good job, guys. Good job. I'm gonna hide this now. I have work to do. Good job, guys.
And finally, I decided to just have a lot of fun.
Alright. If you ring the jackpot bell, you get a lot. Would you like to try? Alright, come here. Hi, kitties. So, this is the one you've been using. It's pretty easy. This one is for human. This is very difficult to ring. You have to press it really hard at the right spot. Yeah, it's difficult. Right. Let's give it a try. Omedetou gozaimasu! Omedetou gozaimasu! Well, you guys can share. Bookie! Join us! Alright, enjoy.